Hi, I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Manchana, Elident Hospitals, Hyderabad. Our branches located at Kokatpalli and Kondapur. Today, I would like to discuss about a topic: why dentistry is expensive. Actually, dentistry is not expensive. Our negligence is. I would like to tell you some examples regarding how negligence plays an important role in end up with paying more amount in dentistry. For example, if it in a house at our kitchen, if there are n number of termites, what you do? You will call a insecticide guy and you will spray that insecticide all over the room and you will get rid of the insecticide and you will do your work. If you neglect that insects at your home, what it will do? It will continuously destroy all our plywood and decors. So end up with paying so much amount. So in the same way, in the dentistry also happens. For example, a patient tooth has a small decay, but he doesn't have any pain. But he has a complaint of food impaction. He knows and he aware that he is having food impaction at that place. But he don't come to the dental place because it doesn't hurt. After some days, the decay will be extended to the pulp and he will get unbearable pain. Then only he will visit the dental hospital. At that situation, what we do? We will do the root canal and crown. If we go for root canal and crown, that will charge you around 8,000 to 15,000 rupees charge according to the treatment. But if you come earlier only with the small decay in your tooth, it will be treated with filling, that is cost of 800 rupees to 1500 rupees. But what you did, you have come only at the time of pain. That is the reason why you ended up with paying so much of money. And the second reason, for example, if there is no tooth, in some circumstances there will be loss of tooth. At that time, patient should get replace the teeth with FPD or implants. But patients will not do, because patient will say always that I don't have any problem with replacing of tooth. That is the reason why I am not getting replaced. But eventually in some years, what will happen? All the teeth will get disturbed and occlusion will get disturbed, and there are many spaces. It leads to dental caries. So ended up to do the complete treatment, we will take some lakhs of rupees. So if you come earlier at the time of loss of the tooth only, then it would be very good compared to the loss of complete teeth. Number 3, patient aware that he is getting bleeding from gums and smell from oral cavity. But patient what he do at their home is, they will use some remedies like usage of mouthwash or doing brushing again and again, or taking mints or using bubble gums, and they will always try to compensate with the temporary remedies. But when the patient comes to the dental hospital now, then it can be cleared easily with the ultrasonic cleaning. But patient will not come at that stage. Patient will come at the stage of tooth mobility. At the stage of, if the patient comes at the stage of tooth mobility, what we do? We take x-rays, we will do investigations, we will do flap surgery, we will extract the mobile teeth and we will replace the tooth. Ended up in paying some lakhs of amount. If you come earlier, means if you visit a dentist once in 6 months for normal problems or for small problems, that can be cleared easily. If you don't come, you have to be ended up with so much money. That is the reason why you should come to the dentist as early as possible if you have any problem. If you don't have any problem, you have to visit the dentist once in 6 months. Some patients have proclination and crooked teeth. Because of proclination and crooked teeth, patients used to get dental caries problems, gum problems, and because of that they will get lower in self-confidence. But what the patients do and their parents do, they don't get treated at early ages. But they will come for at the time of marriages or at the time of job recruitment, at the time of interviews, they will come and they will say that, sir, I need treatment in 3 days. That would be great for us. We suggest smile designing. If we go for smile designing, that will be ended up in lakhs. That is the reason why every person should be get rid of their problems at early stages. Whenever you get pain, then only you want to come. That is not the correct. Whenever you don't have pain, whenever you have a minor problem also, then only you have to visit the dentist. If you visit the dentist early, we can solve the problem easily and you can pay very less amount. So I would like to tell my viewers that please visit dentist once in 6 months. If you do like that, no need to empty your pocket. So if you like this educational video, please like it, share it, subscribe it. If you have any doubts, please comment in below comment box. Thank you. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Manchana, Elident Hospitals, Hyderabad.